Boo! What's up, y'all? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Brianna. I don't know what that was, but in today's video, I'm very hyped and excited for it because it is a Halloween makeup video. I just want to start off this tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows like I do normally, and then I'm gonna come right back. Hey guys, so I'm back with some nice ass brows, you know, just the basic everyday brows. Can y'all see my candles? Do y'all see the little candles burning back there? I don't even know, but yeah, and it smells like fall in here and I'm just obsessed. Anyways, we're gonna hop right on into the Halloween makeup tutorial. Like, I want to do this clown makeup like kind of black because I like black. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX jumbo eye pencil and we're gonna just start with the eyes. I'm gonna do like a basic black smoky eye just to kind of start off. I'm going to put this all over my lid, and also I did put concealer down onto my eyelids as a base, and I didn't set it with any powders. I just left it. This doesn't have to be like even or whatever because we're gonna blend it out in a minute, so I just want to get the color on there. I'm just taking this little e.l.f. contour brush and I'm just going to literally kind of start blending this out a little bit. Alright, so yeah, I'm just blending this out and upwards a little bit. I am going to put a black eyeshadow on in a minute. So I'm just going to go in with this Urban Decay. I don't even know how do you say that? Like, I don't understand. But yeah, this just has a nice little black shade in here, and I'm just going to use that, and I'm just going to pack it on top of the NYX jumbo eyeshadow, and it's just going to intensify the black. See, look at that. Boom. Perfect black. And I'm just using the brush that came with this palette. Alright, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it out with just a basic brown shade right here in the center. This one right here. So just taking this on a Morphe M513 brush, and I'm just going to blend this out. Once again, doesn't have to be perfect. Clowns are not perfect in my opinion. They're literally ugly as hell. And then I'm just taking any like fluffy brush and just blending that upwards. Alright, so that's what we're looking like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we have done the basic black smoky eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do my regular face makeup and I'll be right back because that's kind of boring and I don't think y'all are gonna be really interested in seeing that. Y'all, my mom just made me breakfast and it's literally like almost 6 o'clock, but this is my dinner. Yes, I love breakfast for dinner. So thank you, Mom. Shout out to you, Mom, for making this delicious ass food for me. Love you. Hey guys, so I'm back. I got the rest of my makeup did. As you can see, I got my nice little glow going on here, the nose and everything, and then this black smoky eye. We're gonna move on to the rest of the clown makeup. I don't even think I said that I was doing clown makeup, but y'all already knew because of the thumbnail in the title. So I'm just gonna take this BH Cosmetics liquid, it's not liquid, oh it is, a liquid felt tip liner. I always have a hard time opening this, but that's just what it looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the lines here and here. Basically you're just drawing triangles. I'm gonna smoke up my lower lash line first, hold up. I'm just gonna use whatever's left on this brush. I just want a little bit under here, I don't want like anything major. I'm just going to go ahead and start drawing these triangles under my eyes. I'm just going to start off by doing like a straight line just so I have something like to guide me with. And then I'll just bring the line down, I guess. Ooh, this is going to look great, yo. This is gonna look so good. I'm literally gonna look like a freaking clown. See, I'm just filling in the triangle now. Alright, so that's one triangle. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other eye now. Trying to replicate this on this side as much as possible. Sorry, I'm like looking here so much. I'm looking in my mirror. Alright, so that is what that looks like. This kind of looks pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and draw triangles right on my brow. No, I'm going to do it right above my brow. Lining it up to where the ones I have on the bottom, so it's kind of just symmetrical because it's all about that symmetricalness. Symmetricalness? That's not a word, Brie. Triangles. Oh, that one went really high. I kind of wish I didn't draw this up so high and like so thick, but could we carve it out with concealer? No, that's just being extra. We're not gonna do that. Halloween is literally next week, guys. To draw circles, I'm just gonna use like a basic black eyeliner. Oh, that works. Kind of like a little mole. So I'm just literally dotting it on. Oh, that looks so good, bitch. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the nose. So we're gonna do this kind of nose. This is kind of like a hard nose, but we're gonna try it. And if it doesn't work out, oh well. So I don't really know how to like kind of explain this. So just literally follow what I'm doing. Like, so I just did like a little V and then I did 2 lines on the side. And then I'm just gonna like kind of connect this and bring it around. So yeah, we're just filling this in. That wasn't too hard. So y'all saw I did that. I did a little V and then I did little 2 lines and then I connected 2 lines with this little swoopy thing, and now we're filling it all in. Okay, it literally looks like I just drew Batman on my nose, but we're going with this nose. Now for the mouth. Oh wow. Oh, that felt really weird. That felt so weird, bro. Can't believe I'm actually doing this. We're overlining, okay? Oh wow. Just now drawing this, I'm just connecting it up to the lips. We're gonna use this now instead of the black eyeliner because it's gonna work way better. Good thing it's a liquid lip too, so it'll dry down. So I'm basically just filling this in now. Oh my god, guys. The lips just made everything. Yo, I look creepy as a frick. This is everything. Oh my gosh. That bottom lip though, I look crazy, you guys. Like, my mouth just looks like extra big. I look freaking crazy. I freaking love this. I just love this so much, and it wasn't even that hard, and I did this. We're gonna put on some lashes now. I'm just using Dodo lashes, and these are in the style 207. They're just big and fluffy. I can't believe I literally almost forgot to put on lashes. Like, oh wow. So I'm not even gonna bother curling my lashes because you're not even gonna really see them. I'm just gonna apply some mascara real fast. I can't even see my lashes. That's so weird. Alright, these are how I put my lashes on because I literally got a million questions from everybody I know. How do you put on lashes? You need to make a video. How do you put on lashes? This is probably not the right video to be doing that. But here's your lash. You literally put mascara on first. That's how I do it. Some people put mascara on afterwards. I find it easier to put mascara on first and then just put this on. So yeah. Whoa, I look fucking crazy. I forgot I had this on for a second. Okay. You basically just want to stick this on, like, just like that, and then adjust the back of it, what is this called? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. And then the front, and you just basically stick it down as close as you can to your natural lashes. And just make sure it's all stuck and pretty. Okay. Adjust the back pull it if you needed to a little bit. And then we adjust the front. And there's that. That just makes everything pull together. I'm proud of myself that I actually did this, y'all. Y'all don't understand how happy I am right now. I want someone to drive past me on my way to go scare my brother and dad. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So yeah, let's go do that. It's gonna be a great time. Alright guys, I'm gonna go scare my mom. I'm gonna try to scare my mom. I didn't tell her that I was doing this. I just told her I was filming a video. So let's go see if we can scare her. She's out here watching scary movies, so it's kind of be funny. Run! Oh my god! Oh fuck! You're sitting there watching a fucking scary ass movie. I love you. I love you. So I just pulled up to my dad's house and I'm about to try to see if I can go around the back. Hopefully nobody sees me. Hold on. Okay, I'm running to the back of the house. Oh. Alright, I think I'm gonna be able to fit through here. Hopefully I can. I hope the door back here is closed, otherwise it's gonna be so pointless. Alright guys. It's freaking open. Run!
Just ring chip, chip, chip.
Wait, where's Louis?
He's in his room.
Alright, I'm gonna try to scare him. That failed. I'm gonna try to scare my brother. Run! Nothing! Are you serious? I literally just scared mom out of her living shit. Like, bruh. I'm gonna show you the video.
It's not even that scary.
No, it was funny because I scared living fucking mom. Okay. I literally snuck through the back and I was trying to scare dad, but he saw me. I freaking backfired. I come here, I thought I was gonna scare you a little bit, and you didn't even get scared.
Oh my god.
So this was a freaking fail, you guys. But at least I got my mom good. That was
Big
the best
fail.
part, I guess. Hey guys, so I know this just kind of like hopped back in from there to here. Did you guys like how I scared them? I don't really know if it was a fail or not because I haven't left my house and did that yet, but hopefully it was a success. And I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.